Hello everyone, myself Yashwant Singh Rathod and I am from Team 13 DAC Khargar. Today the topic of my communication video is the Battle of Haldighati. The Battle of Haldighati took place between the Maharana Pratap Singh and Akbar. This is the most iconic rivalry in the Indian history ever have. Before starting the Battle of Haldighati, first I will tell you about the scenario of 16th century. In 16th century, when Akbar was the king of Mughal Empire, he conquered all the major part of India, but he not able to capture the small district name is Mewar. For Akbar, Mewar was very important because all the trade routes which connect the sea trades routes are passes from Mewar only. And at the time, Agra was the capital of Mughal Empire. So Mewar is very important for Akbar. So at that time, Akbar was a very clever king. He always do negotiations over warfare. So by other Rajput kingdom, he do various negotiations like his wife. His name is Jodha, as you see in the Jodha Akbar movie. Jodha was the prince of Jaipur district, and he marry with her, and he used this type of relationship over war. So when all the negotiations and all these things are failed with Mewar, he decided to took war with Mewar. At the time, the capital of Mewar is Chittor. In the year 1568. At the time, Rana Uday Singh, which was the father of Maharana Pratap, was the king of Chittor. At the time, Akbar used artillery. By the help of artillery, they break the walls of Chittor, and he killed almost 40,000 people in Chittor. And at the time, Rana Pratap Singh just basically a small kid only. And at the time, women do Johar. As you see in the movie Padmavat, you better understand the meaning of Johar, what I mean. And after that, in year 1568, Rana Uday Singh, which was the father of Maharana Pratap, he founded a new city named is Udaipur. Then after so many years, 4 years, in 1572, Rana Pratap will become the king of Mewar. When he became the king of Mewar, Akbar used various diplomats to convince the Rana Pratap. He sent Todarmal, he sent Raja Man Singh and various diplomats to convince Pratap, but Pratap is not convinced. Then Akbar also offered half part of India to Rana Pratap, but for a one condition, that he come under the Mughal Empire. But this was not possible. Then the iconic battle of Haldighati will take place between the Akbar and Rana Pratap. The commander who leads the battle of Haldighati is Raja Man Singh by Akbar. Raja Man Singh is the commander in chief of Akbar. At the time, I will tell the situation of the Haldighati. Haldighati is not a normal terrain because the X factor of Akbar army is they use artillery, and artillery is not used in the Haldighati terrain because artillery will not work. And at the time, Rana Pratap army have only 8,000 people and Akbar army have 80,000 people. They have 3 times more elephants, 3 times more cannons, 3 times all the artilleries and weapons. All these things are there. But when in Maharana Pratap collaborated with Bhil's community. Bhil's community basically they are the minority people. They live in the Haldighati area and they know the terrain very well. So when the battle of Haldighati will take place, the Maharana Pratap horse name is Chetak. Chetak was not a normal horse. Chetak not a normal horse. Maharana Pratap weight is 110 kg and armor weight and sword weight. The overall weight of Maharana Pratap is 470 kg. And well the battle will take place. Maharana Pratap horse name is Chetak take Maharana Pratap on his back and attack on the elephant of Raja Man Singh. So Raja Man Singh, and Chetak hit so hard on the trunk of his elephant, the elephant will lost his balance, and elephant fell down, and Raja Man Singh also fell down. At this situation, Chetak one leg is cut down. When the Chetak one leg is cut it down, if there is normal horse not able to move from this place, and Chetak from his cutted leg, he ran away 5 kilometers from this place because he have to save Maharana Pratap's life. Then he ran from this place, and he also jumped 20 feet river from this 20 feet from this place, and when the Chetak fell down, he died. And the Chetak died, Maharana Pratap have also tears in his eyes, because Chetak was not a normal horse for his Maharana Pratap. His treated is like a son. The battle of Haldighati will become an end, and not the Rajput wants, nor the Pratap born. Then after 4 years, when the battle of Diver will take place, the battle of Diver is mentioned in the one historian name is Colonel James Todroy. In this book, he mentioned the battle of Diver is take place in the year 1518, to just 6 years after the battle of Haldighati. When the battle of Diver will take place, Maharana Pratap will win this war, and he captured all the Mewar district, and again live his life for 20 years. Then after that, Akbar, in his entire life, Akbar not able to capture the Mewar district, and after 20 years, in a hunting accident, Pratap died. And when the message come in Akbar court that Maharana Pratap is no more, and Akbar have also tear in his eyes, that because Akbar was always admired by the Pratap life. And after which there are the various lessons we should learn from the Pratap life. That first is never give up. Whatever the situation in his life, we have to never give up. If we never give up in his life, we will always successful in his life. Second lesson we should learn from the Akbar, that always use negotiations over warfare, because war or always destroyful. War always create destruction in our life. And third lessons we learn from Pratap life is love for motherland. Always we have to love for his motherland. We always love our country also. This thing possible. And another situation I will tell you, that when we all know the US President Abraham Lincoln. When Abraham Lincoln visit India, he tells his mother that I am going to India. That his mother tell that if you are going to India, just take the soil from Haldighati. This was the inspiration when the Abraham Lincoln come to India, he took only one thing, the soil from Haldighati. Even if we today we will see the Haldighati soil, the soil become red because of this war. Even today also, when we dug from the soil, there are many swords or many weapons also find in these soils. This was the massive war between the Maharana Pratap Singh and Akbar. Thank you.